I had a slight twist in my ankle there. When I saw the product, it was very simple and easy to consume. My name is Susila Devi. I'm 59 years old. I'm a full-time housewife. Well, this joint problem has been a bit troublesome for me since 5 years ago. I used to go jogging in the park, and once when I was doing my routine jogging, I had a slight twist in my ankle there. So since then, I was thinking it was just a normal thing, as we are aging. Then I realized that injury in my ankle was causing a bit of problem. I couldn't put my steps properly, It was a bit of problem as days went by. I'm a fast mover. I like to do things fast and more efficiently. But this thing, when the pain started, I could not move as fast as I was doing initially. I was taking longer time to do any work. When I saw the product, it was very simple and easy to consume. You just have to open the thing and just consume it. You don't even have to add water to it. When I looked through these and did some research on this, because anything I take, I want to know what I'm taking. So I realized it's from natural ingredients, and when I saw the reviews and all that, so I said, okay, why not I give it a try? After about 3 weeks or so, I really saw or I felt the difference. I could see that I could move on. I walked very fast, brisk walking, in the park. Initially, I was doing it, but it was not with comfort. After 3 weeks to 1 month, I could see myself moving comfortably. You see, because I took this, only I was taking this. I did not take any other supplements or any other corrective methods when I was consuming this product. So I very clearly know that it's only this product that has given me the comfort from what I was suffering initially. From what I knew, it was natural products, not much of chemicals and all that involved in making of this. It does not have any medicine taste at all. It is just like a juice. I don't think there's anything wrong of consuming it as I used to. The confidence was there. Sometimes when you are confident in what you are doing, miracles happen. If you're going through pain, please don't wait till the last end. Go for a rescue, and this product is the rescue to you for those who are having bone problems, ankle pains and all these things. Don't suffer. Get yourself rectified at once.